Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to do just a simple baked chicken. So I am removing the chicken body or the chicken oil pot as they call it in Jamaica. This is it, the chicken body or the chicken oil pot. If I eat this part of the chicken, it swells my lip. So I am removing that, and then I am going to clean up any form of excessive fat. I am going to leave some amount of fats to render. So you call these, I think, the pin feathers. You have to remove them also. So basically that's what I am doing. Looking for feathers, those big feathers that they call pin feathers. The chicken wing is broken. So what I'm gonna do now is to kind of cut the back of the chicken. This is a 3-pound chicken. Not sure if I mentioned that before. Try to break up every bone of the chicken body. Break up every bone like this. So I'm gonna remove these fats. I am gonna leave the skin. I'm gonna leave the skin intact. And I'm gonna leave some of the fats around here to render. And it helps to make the chicken moist, kind of prevent it from drying out. Yeah. Sexy girl. So you don't know, so I clean up my ear with bleach when I'm done. So now, let's see inside round here, so clean out in here so too. Them naka, as we call them. Naka. Clean out the naka them. Leave this. So what I'm gonna do now is to wash my hands, and then I am gonna sprinkle flour on the chicken. Don't know, yeah. I'll put this to wash. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash the chicken now. And you can use lime or vinegar instead of the flour. But me feel like use the flour because some of the time I see, come here bake the chicken Some of the time the acid in the lime or the vinegar, especially the lime, cannot dry out the meat. Yeah. So I'm going to bake this, I'm rather to use the flour. You know, flour can wash your meat as well. So I'm going to wash this and come back and also clean up the area. Okay, so the chicken is washed and then drain, and now I am going to pat dry the chicken. So pat dry the chicken using a piece of paper towel. And this is to get rid of the excess water, because they don't want to season your chicken with water. It's going to water down the seasoning. Girl, sexy, so sexy girl. And this is, I am gonna slit the skin right here. It is already slit over this side, and this is to put seasoning. Yes, so this is just a simple baked chicken. It's not Jamaican baked chicken, or probably I will title it baked chicken Jamaican style. I don't know, it's not only Jamaican baked chicken like this, so maybe I just put Jamaican just so that it is easily fine if somebody is searching for Jamaican cooking, but it's not really Jamaican baked chicken. It's just a simple baked chicken. So let's season up the gal. Let's season up the gal. Alright, so first thing first, I am gonna add some vegetable oil to the gal, and this is to help to seal in the moisture, and it will also help to give it the brown look. Yeah. Rubbing the oil into the gal's skin. Turn around the gal. I'm gonna add some more oil. It's like you're moisturizing down the gal. Yeah. This will do, because I am gonna add a little bit more when I finish seasoning it. Yeah, so that is first thing first. So let it rest right over this, so well oil up, well moisturized. Okay, so in this container I am gonna add some spices, including salt, so I am gonna add all-purpose, and I am gonna use generous amount chicken seasoning, body a complete seasoning, Cajun seasoning, smoked paprika. You can use the regular paprika, black pepper, and that is ground black pepper. And I'm also gonna use some dried herbs which is basil and rosemary. That's it. Then I am gonna combine the spices and the herbs along with the salt together, and I am gonna use this to season the chicken generously. You don't have to use this amount of spices. You can use less. You don't have to use the spices that I use. You can use the spices that you want to use. I am just showing you what I use and what I like to use. Oh, and also Laurie's seasoned salt. This is like my favorite. So now I am gonna season the chicken with the herbs and spices, as I mentioned before, generously. So I'm gonna put some into the skin as well to seal in that flavor. Just massage the chicken. Rub some roll on under the chicken arms. Yeah, and the seasoning and the roll on. Yes, and put some down into the slit right here. You saw me cut. Put some over here for too. If you suffer from high blood pressure, you probably want to reduce your intake of these spices. I don't know, that's what I hear people say all the while. These spices when I using really having any salt that much either. But I don't suffer from high blood pressure, thank you Jesus. Neither low blood pressure, no blood pressure. Another thing I just want to tell you that the food nice and everything like that now, but you have to just restrict your intake of fried food, and you have to do a little exercising. Yes man, go up on YouTube, search for exercising channels that do exercise. Please do some exercise and drink a lot of water. You can't just eat like that and you not exercise. And I am not judging anybody, it's just me, human to human. So no matter say, oh, this and that, no, I not say this and that. It's a human to human, and I just encourage you. You just do a little exercising. You understand what I say? And watch the amount of fried food where you eat. Just that me I say, I don't judge me, I judge nobody. I'm not preach to you either. I'm not like people preach to me. I just encourage you. Right? Yeah. So see it there now. Well seasoned. This is fresh herbs that I put into this little chopper and mince. This is scallion, hot pepper, onion, and garlic. Yeah. Fresh green herbs. So this is enough. A lot of people, you know, blend them green seasoning and put it in the fridge. Me can't do that. When you blend the green seasoning and you put it in the fridge, it loses its strength. I rather to blend it when I go use it. Sometimes I blend it, I just cut up the green seasoning. I still green seasoning when I cut up the when you cut it up, still green seasoning, and when you blend it up one. And you know Jamaicans use green seasoning every day. We use with scallion, with thyme, with onion, and we every so forth. We don't put no parsley and something in my green seasoning. I don't like it. To me, parsley takes away the flavor. But everybody different. I like to do one of my green seasoning I drop out. Anyway, that soon fix. It don't really matter because everything I go up on the chicken. I'll show you all everything I go up on the chicken, so it don't really matter. When I go do, I wash my hand. So I put the chicken into this roasting pan that I will be roasting. I will be baking the chicken in. It's a roasting pan, but I'm going to bake the chicken in there. And this is made, or this was made from Carib steel, so probably it is a steel roasting pan, but that company is now closed down. It is locally made. So I guess I have to go Google and see which I best cookware and bakeware, which brand. But this is Jamaican. This is Jamaican made. Carib steel, now closed down. Alright, so yeah, I'll twist up in a alright. Alright, so let me try if you try if you tuck your wing. And because when you leave it out, right out, it's always kind of dry. Anyway, it don't really matter because I'm going to base it. So I eat that in there, so yes, but I'm not finished with it. I'm wash off my hand. Alright, so what I'm going to do to it now is for thyme. Never they put any thyme in whenever they blend up any thyme, so we'll just put some thyme leaf like this. Yeah. Just a leaf man will use. Yes, I did that now. So I'm going to wash my hand again. And what I'm going to do again now, is to remember some of the time so I'm going to pour some more cooking oil over the chicken. Right? You can use butter, I rather if you use the oil. Is to just sprinkle some Cajun seasoning over the top. Me like it like this. You don't have to do it like this, but me like it like this. So see it now, you finish. Early Sunday morning this. So I'm not ready to put it in the oven yet. So when I go down, I will cover this like this and then I will put it into the fridge. So let it go and marinate until I'm ready to put it in the oven. I will come back. So right now I will go outside and light the cold stove and cook the peas. Because I will do rice and peas. Now I'll cook just a small amount of rice and peas because I will do potato. Yeah. Now I'm going to come out of the kitchen because my husband away from the kitchen to look about breakfast. And my husband will look about breakfast. Which is what? Steamed callaloo, boiled green bananas, and then bread. Yes, I don't want any bread. It's preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And so now I am gonna remove the foil paper from the chicken, and I am gonna put this in the oven uncovered. and I am gonna bake it for 120 minutes based on previous recipe that I did, but I will see how that turns out. So I'm gonna put this in the oven uncovered. So I put it on the top shelf for the first, say, 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna move it and put it on the second shelf, which is near the oven, to complete the baking process. This is my baked chicken. Basically, it is just the basic baked chicken. So what I did, as I mentioned before, I think I'll show you as well, where I put the chicken on the first shelf in the oven for 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes I put it on the bottom shelf that is near where the fire is, and I bake the chicken totally for 1 hour and 25 minutes, and I base it like every 10 minutes. So this is it. So what I'm gonna do now is to make a sauce. I think I'm gonna make a cranberry sauce using cranberry juice to go with this.